Good morning, Mom. My name is Chinka Malpigabo. My report is all about my first pages. Monitoring and evaluation of RMEA is the process of systematical collection and analyzing data to determine how effective and efficient a project or program is. Because it helps decision makers act based on evidence rather than assumptions. For example, in this report, we will decision how to effectively present M&A findings and how these insights can be used to guide decisions and improve project outcomes. Importance and purpose of reporting, monitoring, and evaluation or M&A findings. Reporting promotes transparency by providing stakeholders with clear and assembled information about program performance. Information decision making. Effective reporting helps decision makers understand the program's successes, challenges, and areas that need improvement. And the last is learning improvement. M&A reports highlight lessons learned, best practices, and recommendations. A components commonly found in monitoring and evaluation or M&E reports. Organized into different sections to clearly represent findings, analysis, and recommendations. And here's the key components of M&E reports. Each component of an M&A report plays an important role in presenting clear, complete, and useful information. This part discusses best practices in reporting, monitoring, and evaluation, or M&A. Findings focuses on clarity and accessibility. Clear and concise language today are easily to understand. The language used should match the audience level of expertise, and technical jargon should be avoided unless necessary. Makes complex information easier to understand and improve accessibility for readers. This section discusses the importance of tailoring or adjusting reports to different stakeholders. Different stakeholders have different roles, so they need different types and levels of information. Tailoring reports helps ensure that the information is clear, useful, and relevant to each group. Example of stakeholders: policymakers, program staff, donors. The right information to support effective decision making. This part highlights the importance of the timelines of reports in monitoring and evaluation. For decision making to be effective, M&A reports must be delivered promptly after the completion of monitoring and evaluation activities. Reporting schedule. Establishing a reporting schedule helps ensure that the stakeholder receive information at the right time. This part discusses how monitoring and evaluation or M&E findings are used for decision making, especially in strategic planning. Integrating findings into strategic planning. M&E findings play an important role in the strategic planning because they provide evidence-based information. These findings help organizations make informed decisions instead of relying on assumptions. Key ways M&A findings influence strategic planning. Number 1, identifying needs. Number 2, resource allocation. Number 3, program design. After monitoring and evaluation, findings are used to make decisions, and it's very important to monitor whether the recommendations are actually being implemented. It is important to check if the recommended changes are really happening, to see if those changes are producing the desired result, to allow timely adjustment if the actions are not effective or if problems arise. In short, monitoring ensures that recommendations are not just written but are truly put into action and improved if needed. That's all. Thank you for watching.